actually, the rains, as you can see, what happened yesterday, the second day of Chatsumase. First, there were rains and there was a hailstorm, thunder and lightning. But as you can see, like yesterday, even the dancers came out in large numbers and continued to dance. And even with this inclement weather that we had yesterday, it didn't dampen their spirits to pay thanks to the Creator for His blessings that He has showered on us, and to offer prayers to the Creator also to give a good year ahead. As you can see, this dance is the dance of the joyful soul. So the message is like to have be positive in every aspect and to always be joyful and be happy with whatever the Creator has provides for you. We always have to move with the times, but we should never forget our roots. Because once we forget our roots, then everything actually life has no meaning after that.